Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of HTML. In this video, we will be discussing about the terminal questions from the chapter HTML of NIOS for senior secondary course. Let's begin. Before that, I would like you to subscribe the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. First question is define the following terms. So 5 terms are given to you. You have to write their definition. So www. So www stands for World Wide Web, which is a network of online content that is formatted in HTML and accessed via HTTP. The term refers to all the interlinked HTML pages that can be accessed over the internet. So you have got HTML pages linked one over the other, and you know how to connect them using your tags. And it was designed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1991. So www is also, in other words, can be said as collection of documents and services distributed across the internet, and they are linked together by hyperlinks. As you know, hyperlink is a finger which points to another page, and if you just hover it over the link, it will go to the next page, to which document the current text have a link. Next term is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language which is used to create your web pages. Browser, it is a software that is used to surf the internet. So you have to have a browser to get information. You can have Google Chrome or any other web browser. Tag. Already we have learned about tag in the chapter HTML. So what is the use of tag? It is a special word enclosed within angular bracket. So you always put tag inside these angular brackets, which convey some message to the browser. So every tag has its own meaning. This message may be regarding the structure of the web page or formatting the content of the web page. How you want your web page to be designed, that comes under your tag. Also, you can change the content or format the content according to your wish using these tags. Accordingly, the tags are called structural tags or formatting tags. So based on the function of those two tags, we classify into two terms, that is structural and formatting. Formatting works with the content of the web page, and structural tags work with the structure of your web page. So if you see HTML body, head, these all are used to show you the structure of the web page, which is known as structural tags. And formatting tags are like BR, HR, bold, image, center, all those things are formatting tags, which plays with the content inside the web page. Next term is element. The portion of HTML documents from starting tag to the ending tag is known as an element, and some tags which do not have a closing tag, we call that tag itself as the element. Starting and ending tag and content inside that is known as element, and without a closing tag, the tag itself, we call it as element. Second question is differentiate between container element and empty elements in HTML with an example. The portion of HTML document from starting to the corresponding closing tag is an element, and the tags that have a starting and ending, we call it as container tag. Always starting tag is here, head, it has to end with /head tag. So such tags are known as container element, and some tags need not have a closing tag, like this BR, it doesn't have an ending tag. can simply write BR and it works like that. HR also like that, horizontal rule, image. So all these tags works without a closing tag. So we call these type of tags as empty element. Third question, differentiate between structural tags and formatting tags in HTML with an example. So structural tag works with the structure of the web page. Examples are HTML, body, head. Formatting tags are the content of the web page gets formatted using these tags. Like if you give P, paragraph, HR for a rule, break line, image, all these things are contents of your web page. So we call these as formatting tags. Fourth question is similar to the third question, so we are skipping it. Then the fifth question is, what is the use of attributes? Explain with the help of an example. So what is the use of attribute? Always with a tag you can add attributes that changes the behavior of your tag. For example, if P tag is used to start a new paragraph, that all of you know, and P tag is used to start a new paragraph, usually it is left aligned, but if you want to change it to center aligned or right aligned, you have to use the align attribute. So we call P as the tag, align as the attribute, and the value will be right if you want to change it. Next question, give the general structure of an HTML document. So usually general HTML document looks like this. HTML starting and ending here, head tag, inside that you can place title, then comes body, and all the contents are placed here, whatever you want to write in your web page inside this body. So body, head, and this title has got closing tags. With HTML also has a closing tag. Next question is differentiate between P and BR tags. So both tags have their own function. P is used to start a paragraph, and browser automatically add a single blank line before and after the P element. So once you use this attribute, you will get a space after that. Then comes the BR tag. BR tag is for a single line break. But whatever you write, if you include a BR in between them, you'll get a break there. Usually for addresses and poems they are used. Next question, what is the default alignment of a paragraph? So usually a paragraph is left aligned. Next question, what is the use of blockquote tag? So already we have seen this in the previous videos. Blockquote tag is used for quoting another text to this page or this document. Example is like blockquote. You have to write the attribute site and then write the address of from where you are quoting that information, and then this is the detail whatever you want to print, and blockquote you can close it. This is the way of using blockquote tag. Next question is, what are the different attributes of font tag? Write the use of them. Already we have discussed all these in our previous videos of font tag attributes, so you can go and check it there. So a size is one attribute, color is another attribute, type is another attribute. Go and check the functionality in the video. Coming to the next question, it is, what is the use of heading tags? Which tag will you use to generate the largest heading and the smallest heading? So heading gives you different range of heading. Like if you use H1, it will be printed as the largest heading, and H6 will give you the smallest heading. You practically have to check it out how it looks like, and it is used to format your heading. The purpose of heading tag is to format the heading. You want to give something bold, you just have to use this H1 tag. What is the use of HR tag and what are its attributes? So HR tag has got the function of a horizontal rule, and it is used to separate the content. Like you can put you will get a rule when you use this HR. Practically it is already shown. Please go and check it out. Attributes are align, no shade, size and width with HR. What is the use of title tag? In which element is it used? So title, it gives an extra information about an element, and it is used under the heading tag or head tag. Head is the name of the tag. So after head you can write this title. Next comes differentiate between bgcolor and text attribute of body tag. So background is the image attribute in body tag, where you can place graphic object to make the web page look more attractive. bgcolor attribute is used to set the background color of the web page. This is how it can be used. bgcolor can be used in the body tag. Green, please use this code to verify your answer. And then comes this body and text becomes blue. That means the whole text, whatever you are writing, this is a heading, this has to be changed to blue color. And if you want a specifically different color for any of the content, you have to mention here with that color that you want for each element. Like with P, if you want another color, you have to use the attribute here. So it will have a different color for this particular line or a paragraph. Next comes write an HTML code to create the following web page. So already a kind of web page is given to you. Let's have a look. This is the web page that looks like this. You have to create code for it. Let's check the code. So this is how the code looks like, and it is given here. So I'm copy pasting this to the W3 School online compiler, and it is done. And once you run it, you will get information like this. So what you have to take care is, here all the information starts with a paragraph. Each line starts with a paragraph, and then you want all this in the middle of your page. You want the information in the center of the page, so use the center tag here. Then comes here, this thing is underlined in your document, so you need this to be used with this underline tag. See, I have started this U here and the U ends here, and also center for making everything to the center and the starting of a paragraph. Then for each line that you have used here, HR is used. HR is the tag used that doesn't need a closing tag. So everything has a line here. These are the basic things you have to see, and other things you have to put in your HTML code. And also take care, question they ask, like the background color should be light cyan. That is also mentioned. So BG color is the word or the attribute for your body tag, where you will be writing like this, the name of the color. Because of that, it is here. And text color is mentioned as red, so that also you have to mention like this. So text is another attribute of your body tag. So take care all these things, you'll get an information like this. If you want to change the background, I can show you. Like here I can use a yellow background and run the or execute the code. So you get to change this output like this. Hope you understood the question and the coding. If you have got doubts, please do comment and subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.